Since Israel recaptured the Old City of Jerusalem from Jordan in 1967, the Jewish state has maintained a fragile religious balance, and the Temple Mount is indeed the most divisive real estate in the world. Jewish activists for decades have been leading efforts to change the status quo as a matter of religious freedom by demanding, if Muslims can pray there, why not Jews? One of the hottest end-time prophecies at the moment is the building of a third temple. This is a big topic in New Testament Bible prophecy. The very real possibility of a third temple is a sign that no other generation has seen. All the implements of temple worship have already been created by industrious and devoted visionaries. Right now we're living in the time period between the Second Temple that was destroyed in 70 BC and the Third Temple. Hardly a week goes by without some Temple Mount controversy for fear that the Jews will build their house of worship. The Hebrew prophets all proclaimed that in the last days, the exiles of Israel will return to the Promised Land and restoration of the Temple will be their greatest ambition. Ezekiel chapter 37 predicted the dry bones of the nation of Israel coming to life again in their own land. Just as the prophets foretold, the Jewish people are returning to the Holy Land from the four corners of the earth after 19 centuries of global exile. We're seeing the fulfillment of Isaiah chapter 43 verses 5-6. Do not fear, for I am with you. I will bring your offspring from the east, and gather you from the west. I will say to the north, give them up. And to the south, do not hold them back. Bring my sons from afar and my daughters from the ends of the earth. And while all of this activity called Aliyah in Hebrew is happening, preparations are well underway to build the third temple. The head of the far-right quasi-libertarian Zehut party said that he wants to rebuild the Jewish temple on the Temple Mount in Jerusalem immediately. I don't want to build a third temple in 1 or 2 years, I want to build it now, Moshe Feiglin said at a Jerusalem Post conference in Tel Aviv, referring to the site that currently houses the Dome of the Rock and the Al-Aqsa Mosque and where both Jewish temples stood in the past. To build the temple I need support, I can't do it alone, he said at the end of his speech.